Today, I'm deciding to go all in. It all started when this skinny kid prayed to have a shredded body and a Sigma male mindset. 11 years later, ito na siya. Lazy, fat bitch. But today, magbabago ang lahat. So, I will challenge myself for 30 days straight to do this 10 healthy practice. That was 29 days ago. Pero ngayong last day ng challenge, nasa na kaya siya? Totoo kayang ginawa niya lahat ng yan? Did he really kept his promise to that skinny kid? Do hard things. This is my favorite takeaway here in this 30-day challenge. Understanding the meaning of this gives me a sense of purpose and a deeper way to approach life. Itong buong 30-day challenge na to is an absolute roller coaster. Ayoko rin to ba? From having a sore body, struggling to keep up the routine dahil sa work schedule, to all the highs and all the lows.
To be honest, ilang beses ko na din talagang naisipang sumuko.
But I learned showing up is the most important part.
Push-ups and squats, 5-kilometer run, a good way to start your day.
I feel stronger and my mind feels calmer than ever. I'm excited to keep the grind going. And in terms of improving myself and seeking the purpose of life, this is truly just the beginning.